everybody. Now we're going to teach you how to take advantage of having a prolific strawberry garden. So these guys right here are running out of my patch right here. So what do? Well, you come along, you start changing where they live. Simple as that. Get that guy out like that. And as you can see, I've got plenty more going that are going to have to move, but we're going to, for the sake of time, just take one and show you what we do with it. Dun, 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 dun. Just flying on, heading on down the way. And then you stake like this, give it a nice little spot. And you have just created another strawberry patch.